Found an SXW file hiding in your archives and modern software won't cooperate? This legacy word processing format from the early OpenOffice days still surfaces from time to time. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you get these older writer documents open and properly converted. Just a reminder, the whole point of the final segment is to show you the efficiency of using one specialized SXW file analysis tool that eliminates the need for dozens of format-specific utilities. SXW files are word processing documents created by OpenOffice.org. Writer versions 1.x using the original OpenOffice.org XML format. They contain formatted text images, tables, styles, headers, footers, and page layout information. SXW was replaced by the ODF ODT format in OpenOffice.org 2.0 and later versions. SXW files use a zip compressed package containing XML files for content styles, metadata, and settings following the OpenOffice.org 1.x XML schema. Embedded images and objects are stored within the archive. The format predates the OASIS OpenDocument standard, but shares similar structural design principles. The tool most commonly used for creating SXW files is Apache OpenOffice by Apache Software Foundation. The complex layout and formatting tags are not correctly parsed by Windows defaults. Windows supports basic document viewing, but full editing must occur in appropriate software. Your first step toward a working file. Right-click the SXW file and select Open With. If Apache OpenOffice is on your system, try that first. If not, try another option immediately. Testing is key. If you cannot access the SXW file, no problem. It simply means we can't rely on the initial software anymore. I need you to take these 3 direct actions to effectively isolate the file error. First, opening in LibreOffice. Download and install LibreOffice, then open the SXW file using File, then Open. LibreOffice Writer maintains full backward compatibility with the SXW format and renders the document with original formatting styles, tables and embedded images intact for viewing and editing. Next, converting to modern formats. After opening the SXW file in LibreOffice, save it in a modern format by selecting File, then Save As, and choosing ODT for the OpenDocument standard or DOQX for Microsoft Word compatibility. This ensures the document works reliably in current word processing applications going forward. Finally, batch converting legacy files. If you have many SXW files to convert, use LibreOffice's command line macro mode to batch convert them. Run the command soffice convert to docx followed by the file names to convert multiple SXW files to docx format in a single operation without opening the graphical interface. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. The complexity of this file is clear now when the other solutions have failed. Your best chance for recovery lies with a superior program like FileMagick. Access it at filemagick.com. Give the video a thumbs up if it helped, and subscribe for ongoing technical solutions.